Ni mawatho ma wendia wa indo itiganite ta makadamia maria mendekithitio ni ruhonge rwa kuramata urimi rwa AFA na maria makoretwo matumurite ndereti gatagati ka nyitite miruhonge-ini ruru. Akiaria hingo ya kigomano kia urimi mwena wa Mombasa, CS urimi Dr. Andrew Tuimur ni ugite no nginya watho uyu ukorwo ugikinyanirio wikinya muthia wa mwaka uyu undu uri gutigirira ikiro cia magetha ni cia kinyanirio.
Some of these regulations are addressing the issues that people harvest immature nuts. And that means the farmer is actually getting at a loss. So these are some of the issues that we are addressing here, so that the farmer is not exploited.
Tuimur ni ugite mawatho maria mendekithitio ma wendia wa waru no nginyagia makinyanirio uguo gutire murimi wothe gukorwo akiendia waru na ngonie kiritie kilo 50.
The Irish potato regulations, for instance, has enabled us to ensure that the 50 kilogram bag is affected, because they used to exploit by the big bag, which was almost 90 kilos, which by law is not allowed. A human being cannot carry about 90 kilos. And that 90 kilos, the price they were being offered was low.
Kunore mire utigitwo moko-ini ma county waranĩria gatagati ka honge ciothe cia thirikari ukendekithio.
These regulations we are doing is in consultation with the county government, so that we agree on what are the best ways to ensure that the farmers the farmers actually benefit and are not exploited, but particularly by the middlemen.
Mawatho maya makoretwo marongoreirio guteithĩrĩria murimi na kumugitĩra kumana na kuhatĩrĩrio ni endia a magetha ma migunda yao. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya Wonjoria ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.